question 1.1.3, solving for x. And we have now 2 to the x plus 2 plus 2 to the x equals 2. Now we want to solve for x. And immediately it doesn't look very obvious what we must do. However, this is where we pull ideas and theory that we've learned throughout the years to try to simplify the problem. A lot of these questions are just about turning it into something that looks easier to solve and then solving it. So let's prod it a bit. Tinker. If we write it down, what we must then realize is that laws of our exponentials apply. So how can we break up 2 to the x plus 2? Well, that's the same as saying 2 to the x times 2 to the 2 plus 2 to the x equals 20. And then hopefully you can see that we now have a common factor. So let's pull that out. 2 to the x, 2 to the 2 plus 1 equals 20. And now we can get rid of this bracket over here by dividing throughout. So let's do that. 2 to the x will equal 20 divided by 2 to the 2 plus 1, and that equals 5. Simplify on both sides, and we come to 4. Now, you might think, oh gosh, how can I find the x? But really, this is a simple problem, and it's immediately possible for us to see what 2 would have to be to the power of in order to equal 4, and that is 2. If we had not known what x would have to have been, or it wasn't obvious, we could have used log on our calculator. So we would have said log 2, 4, and that would have popped out 2. So the base and the answer, and then our exponent will pop out. And that is the question solved. There are other ways how we could have come about the same answer, but they will be covered in other videos.